Come join me, let's unveil my roller banner. Yes, so this is how it comes, okay? Okay, so this is how it comes. This is the package. So you just can roll it up like this. Okay, if you want something like this, of course we do that, okay? Gendoxa Graphics, we do roller banner. So if you want something like this, good. So as you do those things, take the opportunity to let people see that we can do this by doing it ourselves, okay? So because of you, my customer, my clients, I have to do this and put it in my office so that you see that you do it actually. You know, seeing is believing when it comes to business, okay? Alright, so this is how it is. This is the roller bar now. You use it, it's very easy, portable, right? This one, if you want to know the price, DM me. So this is how it comes. So you just open it and zip it. Oh my god, I can't really wait to see how good it is. Alright, so here it is. Ta-da-da-da-da. Woo! My god. Woo! Are you ready to see what is inside? Alright, so here's it. Then we pull out this. The bag. And before you, I throw this bag away. I'm not doing that. Comes with this. Okay? Yeah. So pull down there. Get the balance. Okay? This is how it comes. Are you ready? So when it comes, you see something here like this. Okay? That's one. So you just pull it out slowly. It's nothing, okay? Just pull it out. Okay. And now pull it down. Okay? Pull it down. Start raising it up. Okay? Are you ready? Ready. Yeah. Pull it up. Pull it up. And we have it. Yes, it's coming. Long. Very long. Okay. So for this, I need to turn the banner. So you see how it works. So, this here, you put this. Okay, good. Let's put it up. That is our banner. Okay? Just pull this whole thing inside. Alright, so let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? So you see, so that's our banner right there. So beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So if you want something similar like this for your business, contact Gendoxa Graphics today. It's not expensive at all. So let's talk business. Our aim is to help you grow your business through our unique creativity. Okay? Gendoxa Graphics, the house of unique creativity.